versus Mapua. Galicia starts off the scoring here, came off the bench towards the end of the previous set. Now he connects on his second point. Still no sign of RJ Ramos, who sustained cramps earlier. We'll see if he'll be able to come back. He's heavily taped up on his two calves. So Dominic Dito wins the battle. Kasi, let's check out what happened here. Against two. Joust won by the single play.
Iba yung battle na naganap doon.
No, kita ko si RJ ngayon, nakatape yung mga calves niya.
Nakadeload na eh. Kasi yun yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina. Yung tape na yan, pine-prevent na yung muscle niya sa calf na hindi umangat. Kasi pag naka-flex yung calf muscle natin, kung mapapansin mo, umaangat siya, nagbo-ball up sa dun sa taas. Ngayon, kapag naka-tape ka from dun sa taas ng calf mo pababa, it prevents your calf from contracting.
Yeah.
Doon sa maximum level of contraction na pwede. So yung effort na naibibigay ng calf, hindi ganun ka-intense.
Ang crucial as we see that point from attack error on Sinuto. Si RJ, delikado mag-cramps dahil grabe yung elevation niya.
And yung battle nila kanina sa set number 2 ni Agovida, kumbaga binigay sa kanya eh. Kasi nagtapatan sila yan.
Ito, pumawi yung G1 Sinuto. 3-2 now. Jake Pangilinan to start. Barbie with a good first ball. Oh, Reyes. Single coverage. And the stare down from AC Ginto. You know, what left ankle sprain?
Kanina, si Ginto yung nag-stare down kay Reyes. Ngayon si Ginto.
Grabe. Tabla tayo. Agovida tried to dump it in. Galicia unable to get to it, so Arellano will take back the lead. 4-3 now.
Eto na, dito na magkakaalaman sa set na to.
Back-to-back 5-setters ba tayo, mga kapuso? Kanina nag-5 sets ang Letran at Daniel.
Nauwi yun sa last point. Nireview pa. Diba? Nireview pa yun.
Was won by Benilde in 5 sets. Si Petco, 37 points. For all here. Uy! Kala ni Agovida. Ibibigay din sa open.
Alam niya na decoy siya eh. And right after that, that miscommunication, sinenyas niya dito kay LA na tinawag mo yung play na ganito, di ba? Pati si Ginto, parang na-miscommunication sila doon eh.
Ito dapat yung execution nila.
Ito pala yun.
Yun dapat. Ginto saying sorry after his headshot.
Binigyan lang tayo ng preview. Binigyan lang tayo ng preview ng play na iraran nila. Pagka-teaser.
Tapos ginawa ulit. Barbie. Shut down. There was a moment between Agovida and San Andres after this emphatic block. AC Ginto fired up. 6-5. San Andres from behind. That's good.
And that's a rare sight. Kanina pinag-usapan natin, Marks, na medyo demure itong si Barbie. Pero after the previous block, na medyo may konting bumawi lang ng konti. Bumawi lang ng konti.
Barbie is taking exception. Ooh! Pumamewang pa si Agovida.
Parang lava-walk yun Parang lava-walk yun
What is going on?
May motion of the ocean eh.
Hit. Oh, no. Valverde. Galicia outside. Arellano. Hold on. There is a review. Or there's a challenge requested by Mapua.
Challenging the ball for block touch.
Meron bang check dito sa attempt na to? To find out.
Pang pa-agent yung mga lakad na yun, no? Yung mga ganun. Ang nakakita ko lang dati na gumawa nun, mga MJ Lastimosa.
What?
Oh, diba? Shoutout to you, MJ.
Ang lakas sa'yo ni MJ, nabanggit mo dito.
MJ, shoutout to you. Kasi yung mga ganun,
Parang MG,
yung mga ganun kasing galawan, di ba sa mga ganun lang natin nakikita yun eh, di ba?
Tama. Pageant season pa naman kaya siguro umaaura rin yung mga teams natin.
Yun ang ano eh, yun ang pandiinan nila na ang galawan. But you know, props to Arellano for turning up the energy
Oh, yeah.
that was missing during set number 1 and set number 2. And responding really well dun sa request ng coach nila.
That's true.
They were really struggling kanina for set number 1 and number 2. The demeanor and everything was really down and things aren't really going their way. Then the injury bawat on Ginto. But set number 3, they turned it up a level higher and then now they're up.
2-point lead for Arellano. Pagbalik natin, we'll have a report from Aaron D.
Let's get back to the action here in the San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Men's Volleyball Tournament Semifinals. Martin and Prince, despite losing in set number 3, the Mapua Cardinals are still on the verge of securing that sweet revenge they've been hoping for all season long. And during that huddle, napakinggan ko nga yung team captain nila na si Barbie San Andres, who was really vocal in that one. Sinabi nga ni Barbie that everything that happened in that third set, erase na daw lahat yun. Kalimutan na nila lahat yun. And of course, now ibibigay na nila lahat in this fourth set. Dinagdag naman ni Coach Lawrence Cruz. Bakit kayo nape-pressure? Lamang naman tayo Kahit matalo tayo in this set, may chance pa din tayo in that fifth set. Now an update on RJ Ramos. He tells me na cramps lang daw yung nangyari sa kanya and makakabalik pa daw siya. Pero 6 out of 10 daw yung pain as of now. Martin and Prince.
Thanks, Aaron. That's an update on RJ, who again is still not on the floor. Maybe a little bit later for Mapua, but yun lang naman yung request dito ni Coach Lawrence. They still have some leeway in this match. They're still a set ahead. So they gotta go back to how they were playing in the first two sets.
Note ko lang, Mark, yung 8 out of 10 na pain, nakabalik.
Tama ka.
May 6 out of 10, meron pa yan. Pwede pa yan. And again, this is a Final Four match. So yung mga players natin, they're gonna leave everything on the floor.
19 points for San Andres, by the way. And he continues to swing, but this time he was red. That's going to be on Mapua. So an error on them will allow Arellano to take back the lead.
Medyo nag-acrobat pa dun si Barbie, para hindi mataganan itong teammate.
San Andres to go over. Makartwheel na siya doon.
Mini cartwheel lang.
Dominguito denying that. Barbie off the block. This is
with a little extra.
This is the most activity from Barbie post-score dito sa laban natin.
Medyo nararamdaman niya yan Siyempre, coming off an error, di ba? Naka-convert ka ng magandang puntos.
Musni daw. Couldn't do it.
Mostly na pumasok Mostly na pumasok Pinilit ko lang yun, sorry.
Salvo on your screens with 21 excellent sets already. San Andres with the left, easy up for LA. Dominguito approaches and gets denied by Mapua.
Just like that, the score is now tied.
Meron. Tit for tat here in the fourth set. Pangulapnan to start. Sobra ulit.
Service went out.
Back-to-back service error. Galing sa Mapua. I mean, if you're gonna get scores out of your hard work, don't give them away.
Yeah.
Diba?
And this is preventing a breakout from Mapua.
And a run.
Yeah, and a run here in the fourth set.
Inaabol na nila eh.
Pangulapnan. It's a good pass earlier. Salvo brings it to AC who ad-libs here. Off the block for PJ Reyes has been reliable today.
Yung silent assassin natin nakabawi. Kung maalala nyo kanina, na-stare down niya ni Ginto at saka ni Dominguito. Diba? Nakabawi ngayon.
Now at the serving deck.
2-in-1 siya dun. 11 all. Here's Barbie. Jump serve. Soft touch. Short serve by San Andres.
Pamuntik nang ni-receive ni Coach yun ah.
San Andres.
Wow. I love this fake out by Barbie San Andres because pretty much the entire match power yung serve niya. Dito, linode.
And balikan natin, kanina may dalawang service siya na medyo lumagpas eh.
But he follows it up with an error.
Tumama sa antena.
San Andres, though, with 21 points already in the match. Here is Pangilinan. Has turned out a really efficient game. And Galicia.
Off the block and now it's
Yeah.
Chris Galicia.
Tangkado. Yung palo na yun, ito ni Chris Galicia. Able to score on this swing.
What a sight.
Sanuto rejected. Ginto will drive. Cross court kill for AC Ginto. Look at the angle.
Saluto now at the serving deck.
13 apiece. San Andres steps across and connects.
Yan yung mga klase ng palo na kailangan tanungin mo yung partner mo for approval.
Yan. Tama, tama.
Approve ba yan, Marge?
Approve.
Approve.
Ganda nito.
Barbie, ladies and gentlemen.
22 puntos na matakay. Barbie San Andres. Salvo. D-ball for Sinuto. Not gonna work.
Oh, natulungan ng net.
San Andres. Castro with a save. Agovida with a quick. Dumikit yung tingin dito ni Agovida pagkatapos. 10 points already for him. Look at the swing here. And then the stare up to the stare down.
I'm loving it.
14 all. Salvo. Dominguito. Inaangguluhan din. Siya rin.
Finds the spot.
Nagkaroon ng moment doon. How about CJ Dominguito? Solid today. Threading the needle.
Parang parehas silang iniwasan na lang nila eh. Ganun kabigat yung, yung mga bigay nitong ni Dominguito.
Lusot eh. Butas ng karayom. Single block by Dominguito. And Arellano establishes a 2-point lead. Single coverage by the high leaper, Dominguito. Balik sa ating laban. 16-14 is our tally, and Arellano with a couple of big plays has moved back in front. Now ahead by 2. More comfortable cushion, but Mapua, ang tema sa set natin doon, nakakabalik. And that will not help. EC commits the service error.
Oh, keeping the Mapua dito sa laban natin, ano?
Still anybody's set.
Oh, malayo pa to.
Malayo pa.
Malayo-layo pa.
On the serving deck.
Galicia.
Kumbaga
Babalik.
dapat siguraduhan to eh.
Oo. Muntik tumawid si Agovida. Agovida is the one who set up Dominguito. Playable. Chance ball. Salvo. Combination. Dominguito connects.
Dominguito.
Arellano is pushing the right buttons.
And you can see Pangilinan here, ano? Telling itong si Agovida na utak lang, utak. Kasi kailangan kontrolin din nila yung emotion na hindi masyadong mataas. Hindi rin naman masyadong mababa.
Quick. Was dug by Ginto. Reyes. Blocked by Arellano.
CJ.
And that's twice.
Dominguito.
CJ Dominguito. Mapapalo. Papanet defense. Maaasahan para sa Chiefs.
And galing sa kabilang side, ha? Oh, signaling ba? Na dalawa na yun.
Shoot. Sige, play ito tayo. Play ito tayo, ha? Big quick ka, papasok ka mabilis. Pag nakita hindi sumabay, bigay mo lang. Pero pag nakita mo sabay, bigay mo kay Ben. Sige, may back one ka pa rin. Sige lang. Okay, ready, Spikers? Huwag nyo madaliin. Sabi ko, paulit-ulit ko sinabi, huwag nyong madaliin. Okay, kapag sila dumidepensa, nagre-relax sila. Dapat ganun din tayo. Huwag tayo makisabay kung anong ginagawa nila. Okay? Let's go! Let's go!
That's fill-in coach. One of the assistants of Coach Aying Esteban, Coach Lawrence Cruz. Halos pareho yung instruction, lalo dun sa bandang huli. Huwag niyong madaliin. You know, make it thorough, make it quality. Yung mga attempts natin.
Tama. Kasi tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, no? Yung ganitong dikitan, tapos may chance na makuha nyo or manalo na kayo. Dapat ito yung piso-piso eh. Diba? Tulad ka bawat atake, bawat set-up, bawat set play ninyo, dapat kung kayo sa sigurado lang, pati service. Kung yung service, itawid mo lang muna. Depensahan natin. Tapos takbo tayo sarili natin play. Diba?
Better execution that time for Mapua. 16-18. Pangilinan got activated. San Andres. Ginto keeps the ball in play. Dominguito able to get it across. Barbie. Drop ball para kay Barbie San Andres.
Ang ganda nun, ang ganda nun.
Barbie San Andres.
Yung naunang palo ni Barbie, what full of power. Pero yung pangalawa, reads na yan. Oh, that's IQ.
Beautiful play from San Andres.
Everyone expecting ng power.
Seven. Dito tayo. Pilitin natin, ha? Galing timeout naman. Ito ang palo. Silip lang. Pag pumunta dito, alam mo lang kung ano bibigay. Pag nakita mong umadvance yan dito, sa quick mo ibigay. Ready yung dalawa nating back row dito, ha? Tapos cover. O, ito back row natin dito. Okay, ready lang, ha? Approach na.
Arellano is seeing their lead slowly vanish. Isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
After being ahead by 3 earlier.
Oh, and the set number 4 is filled with up and downs. Hindi pa natin nakikita si RJ Ramos.
Wala pa. Tama.
And yun yung parang kulang dito sa Mapua.
That's true. Nakabuelo si San Andres dito. And that's a block out for San Andres. With a longer look. Tatlong sunod para sa Mapua. To tie things up. Barbie looking at the ball and his blockers.
Nakita mo kung paano niya binitin yung balo. Binasa muna niya yung kamay ng blocker. Doon sa replay makikita mo na hindi fully naka-extend yung kamay ng blocker. binabasa niya. And the moment na inangat, tsaka niya pinitikan ng check ball na palo.
Again, minsan lang natin makita ang palaban na Barbie San Andres. CJ Domingito
to the end line.
has been countering for the Chiefs. Palaban meaning yung mga may extra look na ganyan. Usually, babalik na agad si Barbie sa huddle.
Alam mo itong si Domingito, yung athleticism nito, bang kay Domingito Williams.
Domingito Williams. Grabe ka. Uy!
Iniipon ko yan. Iniipon ko yan.
Sinuto.
Oh!
What a dig coming from Galicia. San Andres. Isa pa para kay Barbie.
Off the block.
Power pose afterwards for his 25th point.
Kung kanina, meron tayong 37. Umahabol si Barbie.
Benching ko na inaambag dito ng San Andres. Ramos still trying to get warm. Quick activation, Pangilinan.
Naninigurado lang. Naninigurado lang si Domingito.
20 to 19. Tightly contested set number 4 here. Jake Pangilinan converts on this quick. That was a low fast set from L.A. Salvo. Was played well as well. Domingito, the numbers from CJ.
Diyan sa 3 blocks niya na yan, dalawa dyan kay Reyes.
Tama.
And he made sure na alam ni Reyes na dalawa dun kanya kanina.
And his
Sabi lang sa
blocks.
assistant coach mo, huwag magmumura. Relax lang ka mo, kayang-kaya ko yan.
Medyo chill lang daw. Yung mga block ni CJ, extra impressive kasi ang taas ng elevation niya. Mas talaga hinahabol niya. No?
Kanina galing nga siya sa kabilang side eh. Inaabot pa niya si Reyes.
And serving deck is CJ Domingito.
And now he serves. San Andres. Ooh, net touch
Head touch.
on Mapua.
Mapua.
Tsaka medyo nag-overshoot din siya eh.
Yeah, too much momentum that time.
Yung buwelo niya pang power eh. Pero last minute nag-decide siya na itulak na lang.
Yeah. Jump serve. One-handed set for Makadandang. Dinto. Oh, back-to-back. Net touch errors on Mapua. And this has helped Arellano with their advantage.
Timeout, Mapua University.
Timeout, Coach Lawrence.
Binigyan na at sabi ko magtiwala ka kahit saan yan pwede yan. Pero gano'n yung set mo. Paano pagkakatiwala ng mga striker mo? Hindi ka pwedeng mawala dyan. Kasi ikaw yung ikaw yung nagdadrive ng ano eh. Okay, tatlo lang yan. Tatlo spiker mo. Bahala kahit ibuka-buka mo lang. Bahala sila. Spiker, aggressive kayo. Isang lang. Kapitan mo lang.
The instructions were directed towards John Mangulabnan. Dun sa mga sets niya, buka mo na lang. Tapos magtiwala ka na lang doon sa spikers mo kung paano nila didiskartehan. And this is gonna be crucial now for Mapua. Back-to-back net errors to give the Chiefs this 3-point cushion. CJ Domingito. Extended pause this time. Instructions given to San Andres towards the Mapua coaching staff. Juancho Barba replaces John Mangulabnan.
Just the game.
22-19. That's big.
Oo. Balik sa veterano.
Domingito. Barba to San Andres. Too strong.
For San Andres.
23-19. 19, Arellano. This is how quickly things can change
Now at 23
in men's
points.
volleyball.
Ang bilis.
Bilis.
Kanina lang, tayo pa.
Tama.
Ngayon, 4 na.
Dominguito. That one bounced off the net. San Andres connects off the block.
Off the block and out.
Susubukan pang kumapit dito ng Mapua Cardinals. RB San Andres now with 26 points in the ballgame.
Barbie San Andres serving
Here's
for
the serve.
Mapua. 20-23.
Sharp one. Sinuto!
Juan
Oh.
Sinuto.
Set point for Arellano
For Arellano University.
University.
Number 11, Catania
Check
enters the
this one
game.
out. Bounce ball para kay Juan Sinuto.
Set point. Serving for the
Cateria
set is Wayne
coming
Cateria,
back into
24
serve.
to 20.
Do we have another 5-7 match? Reyes.
Oh!
Caught by Dominguito. Counter save by San Andres. Pipe attack
Off the block
is
and
good.
out. Barbie San Andres.
Hiningi niya. After niyang kunin yung first ball, hiningi niya. Agad. Sinabi niya na, angat mo.
Ben Macanangka now at the serving deck.
Challenging
24.
the double block. Went through Agovida. Gwen. Inabangan ulit ni Barbie. Galicia. No. They will now go back to Barbie. Drop ball. Track down. Quick attack. Drops in
Takes us to
for
set number 5.
Agovida. And the Chiefs have forced a 5th set. Defending champions not going down without a fight.
Oo. Ito yung ito yung kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan, yung Ginto effect. Ito yung Ginto effect.
So we have a 5th set on our hands for the 2nd time today. Magbabalik po kami.